35 here on boxbusters.tv. We are doing 6 boxes. Here we go. 2, 4, 6. 2015 Strata football. Thank you so much, guys, for joining in on tonight. And good luck. Guys, I'm going to refresh real quick. It's kind of choppy. Refresh the page. You guys back? You guys back? Hello? You guys back? Anybody? Hello? I'm going to type something. All right. Good luck, guys. Box 1. Got you. Box 1. Empty. Good luck, guys. Right. First card. Exalis Strata for the Reds. Raciel for the Reds. Congratulations. For the Reds. Second card is a Jose Fernandez Strata out of 75 Miami Marlins. Box 1. Box 1. Sorry if it's kind of choppy, guys. I apologize. Here we go. Box 2. Hold on. Hello? Oh, there's no sound. Okay. I think it's some problems. Okay. All right. Bye. Sorry, guys. Watching the recording. I'm having problems here. You guys hear me at all? sucks. Can you guys hear me at all? Hello? All right, here we go. Box 2. Yeah, it's a massive storm, so I don't know if that could be the reason. It is recorded on YouTube, guys. Made it 35, so if you guys want to watch the replay. First hit, Jake Lamb for the Diamondbacks. Congratulations to the Diamondbacks. Jake Lamb. Oh, this is nasty. Jose. Sick. Look at that. That's nasty. 4 of 5. Disgusting. Wow. Is that yours? J Nunn, is that yours? Jeez, man, that's sick. Congratulations. How thick that card is. I'm going to have to get a protector. Congratulations, man. Put that bad boy over there. Filthy. Box 3. That's worth the wait. Empty. Oh, wow. This guy again. Are you kidding me? For the Reds. Another one. That's messed up. This one out of 75. Congratulations to the Reds. Iglesias for the Reds. Oh, we got maybe another sick one here. Yeah. D. Gordon for Strata. D. Gordon for Miami Marlins. Congratulations, Marlins. D. Gordon. Cool. That's 4. Yeah. Oh my gosh. Another one out of 25. That's unreal. You pull 3 of the players' parallels out of 25 for the Reds. Iglesias out of 25. That is insane. 199, 1 out of 75, 1 out of 25. That's sick. Wow. That's crazy. Crazy. I've never seen anything like that. Here we go. Pirates again. It's a jersey. Garrett Cole. Unreal. Drop tops. These drop tops. There we go. Ooh. Garrett Cole. That's unreal. Box 5. Here we go. Yeah. Sorry if I'm choppy, guys. Looks like it's choppy. I apologize. I think we pulled this one again. Jose, is that another one we already pulled him? How are we getting the same cards? Jose. For the Astros. 2-1. And another jersey card. Felix Hernandez. Felix Hernandez for the Mariners. Congratulations to the Mariners. I think we pulled him again, didn't we? Why are they the same? That's good. I did not mix up this case at all. I wonder what the next 6 boxes are going to hold. It's crazy. That's really weird. I wonder what the next 6 boxes are going to be like. It's really freaky. The same. That's so stupid. So dumb. Okay. Last box. Here we go. Alex Gordon out of 25 for the Royals. Alex Gordon. Alex Gordon. And our last hit. Alex Guerrero for the Dodgers jersey. Not really a mix-up. Sorry, guys. Nasty card. But the rest are kind of. So if you guys didn't get a hit, I will be sending you something. Either that or let me know I can refund your shipping. Didn't get a hit. Just message me on eBay. A recap. Here we go. Alex for the Dodgers. Sorry, late Alex Gordon, the Royals out of 25. Felix Hernandez. Okay. For the Astros. Pirates, Garrett Cole, jersey. This guy out of 25. Iglesias. D. Gordon for the Marlins. Look at this. This is just crazy. More Iglesias. 99 and 75. The Reds are going to be freaking crazy happy. Jose Fernandez, Miami Marlins. That's geez, crazy. Jake Lamb for the Diamondbacks. And the hit of the night. Nice one. Jose for the Astros out of 5. They killed it. All right, guys, made it 35 here at BoxBusters.tv. Play a case of 2015 Strata baseball. Thank you so much, guys. Again, let me know if I'm going to ship you something or refund.